Hi and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or night, whatever time of day it is, where you are. In this short video, we are going to especially be looking at dividends and at all of our dividend companies. But before we do that, I'd just like to announce that I'll be now doing a regular schedule of videos. So I'll be posting a video at least every Sunday, midday to evening Central European time, so Belgian time, where I live. Um, so I hope I can do a more regular schedule with posting a video every Sunday, and I might add some videos on a Wednesday occasionally too. But anyways, every Sunday definitely I'm going to be continuing to post videos. The other announcement I'd like to do is that I have just created the Instagram page for this channel, so that you can reach me more easily. That way I can just post some things on Instagram too, maybe in some not so that way we don't have only video footage but also some photo footage. And yeah, feel free to check it out and to share with your friends or contacts. I will leave the link in the description, and I hope to see you all on my Instagram page. So, welcome back to my portfolio. It is up 4.4%. Today is the 28th of February. Um, one of, not my biggest holdings, but one of my big holdings is Apple, which is down around 10% what it was a week or two ago. So it's only up 1%. But anyways, that's not the focus of the video. We are going to go straight down and look at all of the dividends I have received in 2021. Indeed, I have received more than $100 already now in 2 months of investing this year. So I am really very happy with this. So as you can see, I have $113.57 available to invest. All of these $113.57 are all dollars that I've received in 2021 from dividends. So I'm really happy about this because finally I am getting paid by some of the companies I have invested into. Now we see right underneath, we see that Apple has committed to yearly dividend increases. This is also something I wanted to touch on. This is a very big news and very good news, I think, for us as dividend investors, because this really sets the commitment from Apple that they'll be increasing their dividends yearly, and this way we'll see them, if they do stick to their commitment, we will see them continuing to grow their dividends, and they should become a dividend aristocrat then in 2038, as the first years where they started the fiscal year in 2013, 2014 didn't count. So they will just we'll have to count from 2015 onwards. So because dividend aristocrats are companies that pay dividends for 25 years and increase them each year, for Apple to be a dividend aristocrat, we will have to wait for 2038. But this is very, very exciting news, as I was thinking also of buying more stock if I was able to trade right now of Apple, especially at the price it is now. But more on that in my next video. Anyways, Apple commits to yearly dividend increases. Very good news in my opinion. Now let's go down and have a look at the dividends we've received. We're just going to go and see all. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back down to the beginning of January, where we can see on the 1st of January I had to pay a custody fee, of 30 cents, even though I had already paid a custody fee a little earlier. At least I thought so. Okay, maybe not, or maybe I just can't see it right now. Yeah, anyways. So on the 8th of January, we received our first dividend of 2021, which was a huge one or for me it was huge just because $12 is awesome to be receiving when I'm sleeping. So a $12 dividend of Pepsi, which is one of my worst stocks in terms of its performance, even though it is not doesn't matter because I'm investing long term. Anyways, $12 I received from Pepsi. Then I had my Altria dividend of $14. The stock is doing better than I thought at the moment, even though it's only up 1%. I'm very happy with it. My monthly dividend of a realty came in $4. Simon Property Group, which is my best stock pretty much in my portfolio. I wish I had invested a little bit more into Simon Property Group, but yeah, only a little dividend of $1, but that's pretty satisfying considering that I only invested $100, and for example, Altria I have pretty much $100 in them, Pepsi 2000, if I'm correct. So this is pretty good. Now I had another custody fee. I have to still add up all these custody fees and see what the how much it adds up to, because it's the second one already this year. So if I guess it's normal, but I just have to add them up just so I can put them on my Excel sheet. Then we have a huge dividend from JP Morgan of $20 on the 2nd of February, 48 cents from my $33 investment into AT&T. My Apple dividend, we were just talking about Apple. Here's the dividend I've received. From there, 0.7% dividend yield at the moment, $3 out of the 2,000 invested. Procter & Gamble dividend, a realty again this month. So that's really nice to receive the monthly dividends from the same company. And of course, the huge one, which is the AbbVie dividend. This is enormous, $42. Just a year ago, I wouldn't have thought that I'd ever receive this as passive income before I turned 20. So I'm really, really happy about this. I have a Caterpillar dividend, and we finish off the month of February. I just received this Thursday. Today's Sunday, so 3 days ago. Of $4.40. And their dividend yield is at around 4% because the stock hasn't moved a lot since I bought into it. So not much information, but I just wanted to show this, that they are paying their dividends and that I receive them very easily here on Revolut, even though I'm not able to use my trading account itself. I can transfer this money if I want to my regular account and then transfer it to any bank account I want. So really I have this passive income and can use it, fortunately not to reinvest for the moment, what I would normally do, but I'm still very happy to be receiving these dividends. This is really incredible. Let me know in the comment section how many dividends you've received this year, or this month, or this week. I'd really be curious to know what you guys are holding at the moment and what you've been investing into. Yeah, let me know in the comment section, or feel free to contact me via Instagram. I have my day job during the day, so I'm not available, but I'll be sure to respond whenever I can in the evening or in the morning or whenever. So do let me know. I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. Hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions or anything you'd like to mention, or if you have a proposal for another video on a specific topic you'd like me to touch on, please do let me know. And yeah, feel free to let me know in French, English, Dutch, German, or Spanish, and I'll be sure to respond as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye bye.